What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and I'm so happy to make this video today discussing insurance because insurance is so fun, all right? In today's video, we are discussing, do Uber and Lyft drivers need to have rideshare insurance, or what type of insurance do gig workers need to have? Before we jump in, I want to tell you guys, please hit the thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed for other video topics similar to this one. Now, we all know that driving for Uber and Lyft or any of the gig apps can be such an awesome side hustle, but insurance is a very real thing, so let's talk about it. Every bit of savings is crucial, and many times we overpay when not needed. So why spend so much on these one-size-fits-all insurance policies that are unfavorable to you while driving for gig work? By switching to VOOM, drivers can save up to 60% on their insurance by paying only for their off-the-clock mileage. Luckily, insurtech company VOOM offers amazing insurance policies so you can get the coverage that you need. And just for any confusion on whether VOOM is a full policy or whether it is a supplemental policy, VOOM actually does replace your auto insurance, so you don't have to have two policies. So why do you need this? Traditional auto policies are falling behind and becoming too expensive for drivers who earn wages through gig platforms, specifically in relevance to their true mileage exposure. You'll be able to find the perfect policy that's specifically created for your needs. VOOM syncs to your driver account and has you send in a photo of your odometer every billing period to determine your rate. This way, they can see how many work miles you're using versus personal miles. Now, this is huge for the gig economy and a great way to make sure you're not overpaying for insurance. If you're a full-time driver and you drive more miles on the clock rather than while you're not working, you could save thousands of dollars. Plus, in case of a claim, VOOM will cover the gap between Uber and Lyft's $2,500 deductible to the policy deductible fee. So currently, VOOM is live in Tennessee and Arizona, as well as Colorado, and it will be expanding to other areas very soon. So check out VOOM and get your quote now to see how much you could be saving with our special link below. Now, really quickly, I just wanted to discuss some of the great benefits that driving for Uber and Lyft have had on my own life. When I first signed up to be a Lyft driver back in 2017, my finances were a mess. No kidding, I had maxed out credit cards, I was still living at home with my mom, and I just had so many payments I couldn't keep up with. So I started driving for Lyft to make extra side cash on top of the other 2 jobs that I had at the time. Driving for Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Uber Eats, all of these side hustles really taught me the benefits of creating extra side income. And quite frankly, doing these gig apps totally changed my life. I did almost like a full 180 when it came to my finances. And no, I didn't get rich overnight driving for these gig apps, but slowly and slowly it taught me more about how to manage my finances, how to track my income, how to track business expenses for tax write-offs. There were so many different things that I hadn't known about at all until I started doing gig apps. So that's why I honestly do recommend driving for these gig apps as a side hustle income. And I actually do think that becoming a full-time driver could be a good possibility if you need work and work fast. And after driving for Lyft and Uber and all of these gig apps, I was able to pay off my credit cards and eventually pay off my car as well, which was just a huge blessing in my life. Now, some of the other things I really like about these gig apps is that you can typically work on your own schedule. And yes, some hours are definitely busier than other hours, but when it comes to it, you can usually log on and off at your own convenience. So that's another thing that I really like as well. One of the biggest questions I had when I first started getting into the gig apps was, how does insurance play a role in driving for Uber, for Lyft, for Uber Eats? I wanted to make sure that I was covered buy my insurance in the case of an accident. So that's why I think VOOM is an excellent choice for many gig workers. Big thanks to VOOM for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link down below for you to check out and see if it's a good fit for you. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment down below. And again, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more updates and more helpful tips for drivers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.